What's up YouTube? What's up world? This is your boy M Blind. I'm back with another video, and we gonna be doing it today, man. It's another beautiful day in the Virgin Islands. The weather ain't the way I would like, the optimum weather for what we going out and doing today. Can y'all hear that sound? Listen. Y'all know what that is? We about to go jet skiing. We about to go out on them skis, yo. And we going out with who? None other but the best jet ski company on the island, Funtime Jet Ski. So y'all don't know by the name. We about to have a fun time, yo. Funtime Jet Skis is located right down by the airport. As you get off the airport, matter of fact, when you land, when your plane starts taxiing towards the terminal, that's one of the first things you see actually. Limburg Bay Beach is right there. Funtime Jet Skis is right there. So if you wanna jump on them skis as soon as you jump off the plane, be my guest, yo. We about to have a fun time. Here, drinking my bush tea in my cup. You know what I mean? I got about 6 different ingredients. I like to drink my bush tea with honey. So I get my, you know what I mean? They get a Rona going around, so I gotta get my immune system up and everything like that. So we about to see y'all. We about to be out here. Love you guys, and as I like to say, VI to the world. So
where you guys have to go?
Right there. These guys are saying. Alright, so we going out with the birthday guys, the birthday twins. And the jet skis.
No, they said there's no
Okay, so the weather kinda opening up. So you're looking good.
So what did you do? I try to go out with kidding. I don't want to do it if you telling me, oh, you can't do that.
Yeah, nah, they ain't gonna do that. They ain't gonna do that. Okay, Candice, interview time. How you feel getting ready? This is your first time on jet skis, right? Gonna be your first time on jet skis, right? Huh?
Yeah.
You scared? You scared?
Not really.
Not really? You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, it goes as fast as you put it to go anyhow. So all you gotta do is choose.
So what you have to do? You have to press it and then release it.
Yeah, just squeeze the trigger. Huh?
I don't get drenched.
Nah, it's as I say, it's how fast you go. So you ain't gotta worry about getting drenched.
My name.
Yes sir, it's about to go down and about to go down. Limburg Bay Beach, guys, right across from the airport. About to go have a fun time with Funtime Jet Skis, yo. How we doing it? jet skiing. This is where it's at. Like a guest house or something, but I'll get the information from you guys on that. Over here on our right side is Water Island, which you've seen me done a lot of my videos. Here's a birthday girl enjoying herself. Give it a little bit gas after she get more accustomed to it. Candice, how was your first time?
It was great.
You gonna do a little bit more next time, right?
That way the little tiny
Yeah. So make sure you guys come down here, Limburg Bay Beach, Funtime jet skis. You don't know. That's right. How you doing?